Revitalize your hair with Keune Hair Repair Conditioner. If you're looking for a solution to your dry, damaged hair, look no further than Keune Hair Repair Conditioner. This luxurious conditioner is specially formulated to nourish and repair hair that has been subjected to heat styling, chemical treatments, or environmental stressors. With powerful ingredients like keratin and provitamin B5, Keune Hair Repair Conditioner penetrates deep into the hair shaft to restore strength, elasticity, and shine. Protect and strengthen your hair. Regular use of Keune Hair Repair Conditioner will not only repair existing damage, but also prevent future damage from occurring. By creating a protective barrier around each hair strand, this conditioner helps to shield your hair from the daily wear and tear of styling and environmental factors. Say goodbye to split ends, breakage, and dullness, and hello to beautifully healthy hair. How to use Keune Hair Repair Conditioner. To get the most out of your Keune Hair Repair Conditioner, simply apply a small amount to clean, damp hair after shampooing. Gently massage the conditioner into your hair from root to tip, focusing on the areas that need the most repair. Leave the conditioner in for a few minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic, then rinse thoroughly. For best results, use Keune Hair Repair Conditioner in conjunction with other products from the Keune Hair Repair line. Experience the difference with Keune Hair Repair Conditioner. Don't settle for lackluster hair any longer. Treat yourself to the luxurious experience of Keune Hair Repair Conditioner and enjoy the transformation of your hair from dry and damaged to silky smooth and radiant. Say goodbye to frizz and flyaways, and hello to hair that looks and feels healthy and vibrant. Elevate your hair care routine with Keune Hair Repair Conditioner today.